A fast-moving object the size of Manhattan is hurtling towards our solar system, and it will make its closest pass to Earth on December 17th. Comet, asteroid, or something else?
The cosmic dance of planets is usually predictable, but a new player just arrived, causing chaos. Comet 3 I/Atlas has stunningly entered Mars's orbital territory. What force could drive an icy traveler into such an unexpected alignment, especially after recent stellar explosions lit up distant galaxies? NASA has sounded an emergency alarm. How did this happen, and what does it mean? The answers may reveal a connection between far-off cosmic events and our solar neighborhood that few imagined. Mars welcomes a mysterious visitor. The universe usually moves with slow majesty, but Comet 3 I/Atlas has broken the rhythm. Once a distant wanderer, it plunged into Mars's orbital path, leaving scientists stunned. Its arrival came just after massive stellar explosions. Supernovae, not solar flares, blazed across the galaxy. These titanic events can outshine entire galaxies, and their timing raises questions. NASA immediately went on alert, issuing emergency notices worldwide. The urgency wasn't just the comet itself, but why it veered so drastically. Normally, comets follow stable orbits shaped by gravity. Yet 3 I/Atlas, officially C/2019 Y4 Atlas, suddenly shifted, passing within only 4 million miles of Mars. In cosmic terms, that's a near miss, and even small changes in its path could endanger spacecraft nearby. This comet is remarkable in its own right. Believed to be a fragment of a much larger comet that broke apart thousands of years ago, it may have had a nucleus up to 11 miles wide. Earlier this year, it fractured again, breaking into dozens of pieces and leaving a debris field of ice and dust, far denser and more dangerous than typical meteor showers. The deeper mystery is whether distant stellar explosions influenced this disruption. A supernova releases the energy of billions of suns, creating waves of radiation and high-energy particles racing across space. These cosmic rays can cascade through interstellar dust and magnetic fields, subtly influencing small bodies like comets. One such explosion, CEND 2023A, erupted in a galaxy 200 million light-years away. Though unimaginably distant, its emissions still ripple across space. Multiply the energy of several such events, and the idea of galactic-scale forces nudging comets no longer seems far-fetched. It suggests that even stars light-years away can shape our neighborhood in ways once thought impossible. When the stars send their silent warnings, the sudden course change of 3 I/Atlas has fueled debate. Many scientists suspect cosmic rays, ultra-fast particles born in supernovae, played a role. Unlike Earth, which has magnetic protection, comets are vulnerable. When such rays strike a comet's uneven surface, they can trigger sublimation ice turning to gas, which acts like a tiny thruster. Over time, small pushes accumulate into a major trajectory shift. The comet's irregular shape means radiation and solar wind hit unevenly, causing it to spin and tumble. A slight change in velocity, just a few miles per hour, can spell the difference between a distant flyby and a close encounter with a planet. Its breakup into fragments strengthens the theory. Radiation may have caused thermal stress that cracked the nucleus apart, creating a chaotic swarm instead of one body. NASA isn't only tracking the main comet, but dozens of fragments, each on its own path. Some are the size of towns. Mapping their movements requires supercomputers and round-the-clock monitoring. This isn't just orbital math. It's a high-stakes puzzle where every fragment is a potential hazard. The interplay between supernovae, cosmic rays, and cometary bodies highlights the profound interconnectedness of the galaxy. It raises the unsettling question: if distant explosions can redirect a comet toward Mars, what does that mean for Earth? Faraway suns, deadly consequences. Supernovae are not just bright flashes, but cataclysms that shape galaxies. Their shockwaves ripple through interstellar gas and dust, compressing clouds to spark new stars and accelerating particles into cosmic rays carrying unimaginable energy. Unlike Earth's particle accelerators, which achieve similar power only in brief bursts, nature unleashes this energy constantly across the cosmos. The cumulative effect of multiple explosions can create turbulent pressure fronts in space, subtly but persistently disturbing the Oort cloud, a vast sphere of icy bodies at the edge of the solar system. Loosely bound by the sun's gravity, these comets are vulnerable to any passing disturbance. A single shockwave can knock an object from its path and send it spiraling inward. With trillions of bodies out there, it's a game of cosmic billiards on a galactic scale. So when comets like 3 Atlas dive toward planets, it may not be coincidence but the result of distant massive forces. This means Earth too exists within a web of cosmic cause and effect. The dawn of relentless watchfulness. NASA's emergency response shows how fragile our position is. Even small comet fragments can wreak havoc. The 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor, only 65 feet wide, exploded over Russia, with the force of several nuclear bombs, injuring over 1,200 people. To guard against threats, NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office tracks near-Earth objects, yet millions remain undiscovered. The unexpected shift of 3 Atlas underscores the urgency for better detection and faster data processing. Telescopes like Pan-STARRS in Hawaii scan the skies nightly, generating terabytes of data that must be analyzed within hours. The event has also revived interest in planetary defense technology. The 2022 DART mission proved we can redirect an asteroid by smashing a spacecraft into it, changing its orbit. While Earth isn't threatened by 3 Atlas, the principle is clear. We must be ready if another cosmic traveler is nudged our way. Such vigilance demands global cooperation. Space threats don't respect borders, and more observatories worldwide mean quicker detection. The comet's dramatic path shift, likely influenced by distant explosions, is a wake-up call. Our solar system is not an isolated bubble. The saga of Comet 3 Atlas forces us to reconsider our place in a vast, interconnected cosmos. Our system is constantly nudged by unseen forces from across the galaxy, reminding us that we are part of a larger, unpredictable dance. This dramatic event makes us wonder, are we merely targets in a cosmic shooting gallery? Or is there a hidden order behind it all? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Epoch Dive for more amazing documentaries.